In today's video, I'm going to show you the easy way of opening a tight fit capsule. Now, these are the capsules that are included with these boxes that I currently sell. And you can see that this one is completely full now. Every single one of these boxes holds 32 capsulated 1 ounce silver coins. So just under a whole kilo of silver. In a kilo of silver, you get 32.15 ounces of silver. So when you fill one of these boxes, you pretty much got a whole kilo of silver. So I've just finished completing that one, and I've just got another one that I'm about to move on to now. And I thought I'd make just a very quick video to show you the easy way of getting into these capsules. Now, when I first looked to source capsules to put in these boxes, because when you buy these boxes, the capsules come included, I wanted to make sure that they were high quality, really high premium capsules. I didn't want to go and get the cheap ones that some people see knocking around, and they open really easy because they have the little indentation bit to get your thumb in. But I always worry about those ones. I always think there might be a little bit of air that can get through that little gap. You get the ones that aren't rimless, and again, they don't feel very premium. These capsules are premium, really heavy duty capsules, but that does mean that they are harder to open than some of the other cheaper capsules out there. Now, let me show you the easy way of doing it. Now, the best thing to do is to get a small knife, and again, be very, very careful when you're using knives. But you want to run your fingernail along and find where the joint is in the capsule. Once you find where that joint is, you just want to carefully put the knife in that joint. Once you've got it in there, give it a little wiggle, and you can see it just goes in like that. And then you want to run the knife along a little bit, and then give it a slight twist. And it's as simple as that to open these capsules. So these capsules are actually really easy to open once you know how. And the good thing about them is once the coin's inside, and why I've got that one open, I will put this coin inside now. But the good thing is once you've got the coin inside, they really do protect it because they are really tight fitting. They're really snug. And like I said, that is the reason why I got these capsules, because they just got a premium feel to them. When you squeeze it tight, you know that no air is going to get in there. You know your coin is safe. You've got a nice thickness either side of it as well to protect it. And they just look really nice in these capsules as well. You can see the rim. So there we go. I hope that helps those of you that are struggling to get into these capsules. But once you know how, it is fairly easy. Thanks for watching.